I'm making this video so everybody will know just exactly how I advertise for you. Okay, first of all, when you join Debit Card Profits, you get put into a rotator with Debit Card Profits. And I pay for that rotator. I make sure that everybody goes into it. And here's what happens. When they go to debitcardprofits.net, it's going to open up one of the members' pages. Now, the first members page that it opens up is Patrice Spruce. She is one of our newest members in the program. The neat thing about this rotator, because I've tested the form out, and whenever I put, hang on one second, let me stop that.
Sounds simple.
But whenever I've tested this form out and I put my information in here and I check on where this form came from, it comes from her page in the rotator. So I know that that's her that sent the people here. And even though it's in the rotator, it comes from her. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Debit Card Profits again, and I'll stop the video at the top because I just want you to realize that I'm getting thousands of hits per day. This one is Marlon Salih. Okay, he was the person that signed up just before Patrice Spruce signed up. So we've got people signing up now with Debit Card Profits, and I wanted to let you know that I have a way that I can find out who signed a person up. That way I can send that new person to their referral link in Rush Card. And when I order the Rush Card, that Rush Card is going to be ordered through them and not through somebody else, or not through the company, me, or Debit Card Profits, or Tom Howard, which is me. So, but because this is what I do, and I'm without reproach on anything that I'm doing online like this, because I am very honest. I'm a God-fearing person, and I make sure that people can trust me, and I'm going to help them make money. So this is the way I do it, because if I go to my traffic ad bar, which I'm gonna, I show everybody how to use the traffic ad bar and get thousands of hits to their site already, but I'm doing it for everybody through the traffic ad bar, and I'm getting thousands of hits on debitcardprofits.net, and that's where the rotator goes to. Thank you.